Hello children. We will learn addition with regroup or carryover. What do you mean by regroup or carryover? It means to put numbers into next place value. Place value in a number is the number where the places sit. So here we will take example. So you have 134. You have 4 ones, 3 tens and 1 hundreds. Here in the hundreds, this is 100 square, that is 100. In tens, this is the 10 square, so you have 3 tens or 30. Here 4 little squares, so you have 4 ones. See what happens if you put too many into one column. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 squares that all the ones can hold. The minute you add one more, it becomes a bar of 10 and the ones all go away. It's now at tens. Same thing happens if you got 9 tens. If you add another 10, it wouldn't be able to fit. Here it would have to go into the hundreds place and you would have one box of 100. So think of it as buckets. You don't want the buckets to overflow. The ones bucket can hold 9 ones. The tens bucket can hold 9 tens. The 100 bucket can hold 9 hundreds. If you add one more, look at this. It could hold 9 little boxes. The minute you want to add one more cup of water, which would be the 10th cup, it wouldn't be able to hold. It would overflow. So you have to put it into the 10th bucket because they can lay sideways like this. Sideways like this. So it would fit and you could put another 10 and another 10 and so on. Let's add 87 and 75. So 87 is 8 tens and 7 ones. 75 is 7 tens and 5 ones. So we need to add this. So first digit in the ones column. I write the digit in the ones column. I'll always start from the ones column. What do I have in the ones column? I have 7 and 5. 7 added to 5 is 12. So should I write 12 here? No, because 12 has 2 digits. And we know 2 digits cannot fit in the ones column because it always allows only 1 digit to fit. 12 is 2 ones and 1 tens. Since this is ones column, 2 ones will go in this group. So 2 goes in this column and what about 1? This is 1 tens. So it should go in the tens column. And now I need to add this 3. This tens column, that is 1, 8 and 7. In the tens column I have 1, 8 and 7. So 1 plus 8 is 9. And what is 9 plus 7? 9 plus 7 is 16. So 16 tens. Now 16 tens is 160. In 160 I have 6 as tens digit and have 1 as the 100 digit. So 6 will go in the tens column and 1 will go in the hundreds column. So the answer is 162. 87 added 75 is 162. Hope you have understood addition with regroup or carryover. I am going to give you some more question based on this. Rest I am going to explain you in the next session. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.